Welcome back. In this video, I want to talk about an important concept in Express, and that is middleware. Let me show you how it works. If I run the server here, I just have a simple server that sends test. Express has a concept of middleware. And if I do app.use, this is a generic Express middleware that I can enter in here. And what middleware does is, as the name suggests, as the request is coming in, it's going to pass through this use function and then trickle down to whatever we get, post, put, delete. And this middleware is going to do something to the request that we just had in order to perhaps make it easier to work with down here. Let's demonstrate that example. App.use receives request, response, and then something called next. And within this function, we will just say console.log h1 hello. If we save and go back here and run localhost, it's hanging here. Even if I open up the console, nothing's happening. If I go back, I see that hello gets triggered because I'm console logging it, but it never reaches here. Well, that is because in order for the middleware to keep passing data through, it needs to call next, the third parameter. So now by calling next, if I refresh, I receive test. So the middleware, the way it works is we use app.use. It gets a request of the website. The request comes through. We can do whatever we want with it. In our case, we're not really touching it. We're just console logging hello. And then we hit next, and then Express keeps running through these. And although you might be thinking, why is this useful? There are many, many cases that I'll show you later on why middleware is important. And middlewares are great scripts that people have pre-written that you can add to your server. But you'll see that more in the next video. I just wanted to show you the basic concept of middleware. Something that receives ahead of time, before it gets to the routes, the request, modifies it, and then passes the next function to keep it going. I'll see you in the next one.